Welcome to Horizons of History, where we explore the world's most fascinating countries and cultures. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the United States of America, a country with a rich and complex history, diverse culture, and powerful military. History. The history of the United States of America is a long and complex story that spans more than 4 centuries. The country was founded in 1776 when 13 British colonies declared their independence from Great Britain, leading to the American Revolution. This Revolutionary War lasted from 1775 to 1783 and resulted in the formation of a new nation. In the early years of the country, the U.S. faced a number of challenges, including conflicts with Native American tribes, tensions with European powers, and debates over slavery. The country continued to expand westward, with the Louisiana Purchase in 1803 and the acquisition of Texas, California, and other territories in the 19th century. The U.S. also faced major crises, including the Civil War, 1861 to 1865, which was fought over the issue of slavery and ultimately resulted in the abolition of slavery and the preservation of the Union. The country also experienced significant social and political changes during the 20th century, including the women's suffrage movement, the civil rights movement, and the rise of the United States as a global superpower. Today, the United States is a diverse and dynamic country with a population of over 330 million people from a diverse range of religious beliefs, with Christianity 70% of the U.S. population, followed by Islam, Judaism, and other faiths. Geography. The United States is a vast and diverse country with a total area of approximately 9.8 million square kilometers, 3.8 million square miles, making it the third largest country in the world by land area, after Russia and Canada. Its geography varies greatly, from the flat plains of the Midwest to the rugged mountains of the West, from the hot deserts of the Southwest to the frozen tundra of Alaska. The country is bordered by 2 oceans, the Atlantic and Pacific, and shares land borders with Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. The U.S. is home to many iconic natural features, such as the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, and the Rocky Mountains, as well as vibrant cities, bustling coasts, and fertile farmland. Despite its large size, the United States represents just 6.6% of the total land area of the Earth, which has a total land area of approximately 148.9 million square kilometers, 57.5 million square miles. Political system. The United States has a federal system of government, which means power is shared between the national government and the governments of the 50 individual states. The U.S. Constitution, adopted in 1787, established a system of checks and balances among the 3 branches of government: the executive branch, headed by the President; the legislative branch, consisting of the House of Representatives and the Senate; and the judicial branch, headed by the Supreme Court. Elections are held every 2 years for the House of Representatives, and every 6 years for the Senate. The President is elected through an indirect electoral college system, in which each state is allocated a certain number of electors based on its population. The winner of the presidential election is the candidate who receives a majority of the electoral votes. The political system of the United States is complex and dynamic, and has undergone many changes and challenges throughout its history. Economy. The United States has the largest economy in the world, with a gross domestic product, GDP, of over $21 trillion. It is a mixed economy with a strong private sector, supported by government intervention and regulation. The United States is home of the world's largest corporations, including Apple, Amazon, and Google and other many large multinational corporations, and is a leader in industries such as technology, finance, and healthcare. The U.S. is also the world's largest importer and the second largest exporter of goods and services. The United States is the world's largest aid donor, providing more than $42.3 billion in 2021 alone. The U.S. government provides aid to countries around the world for various purposes, including humanitarian assistance, economic development, and disaster relief. The U.S. provides funding to these organizations to support their efforts in promoting economic development, poverty reduction, and global security. Military. The U.S. Army is one of the largest and most technologically advanced armies in the world, with over 1 million soldiers on active duty, in the Army Reserve, and in the National Guard. The U.S. Army is nuclear power and is responsible for defending the country's interests and has a long history of playing a key role in major conflicts. Some of the most significant wars in which the U.S. Army has been involved include the American Revolution, the War of 1812, the Civil War, World War I, World War II, the Korean War, the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and the War on Terror. The budget of the United States Army for the fiscal year 2022 was $173 billion. This makes it the largest military budget in the world. Places to visit. The U.S. is home to a wide range of attractions and landmarks, including the Statue of Liberty, the Grand Canyon, the Golden Gate Bridge, and the White House. Some of the places must-in USA are: New York City, known as the city that never sleeps. New York is home to iconic landmarks such as the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and the Empire State Building. Las Vegas, famous for its glamorous casinos, Las Vegas is a top tourist destination that offers a range of entertainment options from world-class shows to high-end shopping. Grand Canyon, one of the world's natural wonders, the Grand Canyon offers breathtaking views and opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking and camping. Miami, known for its beaches and vibrant nightlife, Miami is a popular destination for tourists looking for a mix of relaxation and excitement. Yellowstone National Park, home to geysers, hot springs, and wildlife such as bison and grizzly bears, Yellowstone is a must-see destination for nature lovers. Niagara Falls, located on the border of the USA and Canada, Niagara Falls is a stunning natural wonder that offers boat tours, scenic views, and other activities. Interesting facts. The American flag features 50 stars, each representing one of the 50 states, and 13 stripes, representing the original 13 colonies. The USA has a rich cultural heritage, with contributions from Native American, African American, Hispanic, and Asian American communities. The United States has the world's largest prison population, with over 2.3 million people incarcerated. Thanks for watching my video about USA. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great videos.